How to share Amazon Kindle books. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share Amazon Kindle books. Amazon Kindle allows you to share Kindle books with friends and family in a few different ways. The easiest methods to share Amazon Kindle books is by recommending them. For that, first of all, you will need to open your Amazon Kindle application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this page. Now here, find a book you would like to recommend to your friends from your library. You may also tap on the library icon at the bottom right to enter to your library. Once you find the book that you'd like to recommend, you will need to long press on the book and some menu will appear. In this menu, at the bottom, you will be able to see Recommend this book option. Go ahead and tap on this option. And now you can use various social media available here in order to share this book to your friends. You can choose email, Facebook, Messenger or others here. So by following these steps, you should be able to share Amazon Kindle books. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.